Hello student, welcome back to Vindhyavasini Academy. Hope you all are doing great. Application form for the Mpset is available online. And the last date of application form is 26th of Feb. Application fees. Application fees for general category is 500, MP reserve category is 250, portal charge carries 40 rupees extra and the correction charge is 50 rupees. First time late fee charge is 3000 guys and second time late fee charge is 25,000. Application began on 27th of Jan and last date to apply is 26th of Feb. Who can apply? Applicants who already cleared Mpset in 2017-2018 are not eligible for the application. Apply for a single subject only. There are 36 subjects available for Mpset and official website for the application is www.mppsc.mp.gov.in. If you already got certificate for UGC-NET, CSIR exam, you are not eligible for the application. List of 36 subjects are Library and Information Science, Life Science, Physical Education, Marathi, Arabic, Mathematics Science, and these all are the subjects. Eligibility. Students who can in their final semesters of master can apply for Mpset. 55% marks for general and 50% marks for reserve category. Paper pattern. Paper 1 consists of 50 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Question will be asked from the teaching and research aptitude. Paper 2 consists of 100 marks. Each carries 2 marks. On paper 2, question will be asked from the chosen subject. Total marks for paper 1 and paper 2 is 300 and time duration is 3 hours. There will be no negative marking. So do check it out this video guys and like, share and subscribe my channel.